Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Facebook Dating on iPhone. Guys, if you're ready to start using Facebook Dating to find matches, I'll guide you through the steps to get it up and running on your iPhone, plus troubleshoot if it's not showing. Let's dive in. First, ensure you're eligible for Facebook Dating. You must be at least 18 years old and have a Facebook account in good standing, meaning it's at least 30 days old with no recent bans. If you deleted your dating profile, you'll need to wait 7 days before creating a new one. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone and check your account status in the menu under Help and Support, Account Status to confirm no restrictions. Next, navigate to the dating feature. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right to open the menu. Scroll to Shortcuts and look for Dating with a heart icon. If it's there, tap it to start setup. If not, tap See More. Dating might be listed there. Tap Dating and then Get Started to create your profile. Follow prompts to add your location, photo, and preferences like age and gender for matches. Your dating profile uses your Facebook info, but keeps chats separate from Messenger. If dating doesn't appear, customize your navigation bar. From the menu, tap the gear icon in the top right, then scroll to Preferences, Navigation bar. If dating is listed as hidden, tap it. Select Pin, and wait a moment. This adds dating to your menu or bottom bar for easy access. Check again by searching dating in the app's search bar at the top. Tap the result to launch it. Still no luck? Offload and reinstall the app to fix glitches. Go to your iPhone Settings, General iPhone Storage. Find Facebook, tap it, and select Offload App. Confirm by tapping Offload again. This keeps your data but removes app files. Then tap Reinstall App to download it fresh. Reopen Facebook, log in with your email or phone and password, and check for dating in the menu or search bar. Unique tip: connect to Wi-Fi before offloading to ensure a smooth reinstall, as mobile data can slow the process. If dating still doesn't show, contact Facebook support via Help and Support. Report a problem in the menu. Describe the issue, and they'll guide you. Once activated, you're ready to browse profiles and match based on shared interests. That's it, guys.